A-B ontology, quantum, consciousness, and the cyclical structure of existence. Irfan Boko, independent researcher. Ontology and Consciousness Studies. irfanboko@gmail.com. Abstract. This study explores life, consciousness, and death processes from a quantum-based ontological perspective. The A-B cycle is defined as a foundational structure of existence. A represents productive conscious energy and the beginning of life. B represents complementary processes and superposition. Humans, plants, and animals naturally operate this mechanism, while technological systems, bits and quits, metaphorically replicate this cycle. The article examines A's first emergence, entropy, observer effect, and the quantum and biological layers of birth and death from an ontological standpoint. 1. Introduction. Throughout history, humanity has sought to understand birth and death. From an ontological perspective, life relies on the A-B cycle. A. Productive conscious energy, the fundamental origin of life. B. Complementary processes and superposition provide structural completion created by A. Birth is triggered by the initiation of a production at the quantum level. Death begins when a production ceases. Biological systems follow this process subsequently. 2. The A-B cycle in the human brain. The human brain operates the A-B mechanism at the quantum level. A production represents life energy and consciousness creation. B manages superposition and complementary processes, ensuring structural stability of life. As long as the A-B cycle continues, life persists. When a production stops, the cycle ends, and death begins. 2.1 Observer and BB already exists within the A-B cycle. The observer does not create it. However, observing is necessary to perceive that B has occurred. B exists even without observation, but its perception requires an observer. This illustrates the ontological role of the quantum superposition. 3. The first production of A and quantum birth. The initial production of A occurs at the quantum level. During procreation, the combination of parent contributions creates the first A. This represents the first birth of existence. The physical body joins this cycle later. Similarly, death begins with A's cessation at the quantum level. The body's death follows. Thus, birth and death start quantumly via A and continue through the A-B cycle. 4. The A-B cycle and entropy. When the A-B cycle falters or a production decreases, entropy increases. Plants and animals intuitively sense these entropy changes. Humans perceive it through aging and biological changes. Entropy functions as an ontological marker signaling the disruption of the A-B cycle and impending cessation of life. 5. Quantum perception in nature. Leaf decay and energy decrease in plants during autumn represent rising entropy in the A-B cycle. Migratory birds detect these changes and adjust directionally for migration. This phenomenon demonstrates that the A-B cycle operates as energy and information flow among living beings in nature. 6. Computers and the quit metaphor. Bits, 0 and 1 classical analog of the A-B cycle, ineffective alone. Quits, superposition of 0 and 1 represent the quantum analog of A and B existing together, both productive and complementary. This parallel demonstrates an ontological continuity between biological systems and technological systems. 7. Ontological implications. The A-B cycle forms the foundation of life and consciousness. Birth and death begin quantumly via a production. The body adapts at the biological level. B exists independently of observation, but perception requires an observer. Disruption or slowdown of the A-B cycle is indicated by entropy increase, intuitively sensed by living beings. Technological systems metaphorically replicate this logic. Quits serve as analogues of the A-B cycle. 8. Conclusion. A-B ontology unifies consciousness, quantum processes, and life cycles. Parallels among the human brain, nature, and technology indicate the universality of the A-B cycle. This framework highlights the quantum-based initiation of birth and death, the ontological role of the observer effect, and the importance of entropy in the A-B cycle.